Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a password protected folder in Windows 10. I'm not sure about other versions of Windows 8.1 and 7, but for Windows 10 it totally works. I tested it out 10 minutes ago. You do not need any softwares for this, you just need to copy paste this code right here. Of course I'm gonna leave it in the description because if I don't, it's gonna take more than 10 minutes to type this out, or maybe less. It's pretty obvious why I make this video, because if you are a family, 4 members, and you have one computer, and in that computer you have some files, videos, pictures, or whatever you have, and you do not want your family to see it, you can actually secure them in a folder. So first of all, just make a random folder, name it whatever you want, then copy that code right here. Copy that right now, and this is the example we're going to log. Open that folder right here, that empty folder, and in here just right click new, and we will create a text document. Type whatever you want in here. I'm gonna type test, and then open that text document and paste that code right here. You're gonna ask where I'm going to put my password. So it's pretty simple, just go down in the end, and here where it says if not %, here you will need to delete your password here. Just delete that, hit space right here to make a gap, and type your password. I'm gonna put for now 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you will not save it. We will save it as. So to do that, you will need to go on the top left, click File, and then click Save As. Then here at the bottom where it says Save As Type, here we're gonna change that option to All Files. Right here we're gonna remove that name and type whatever you want. I'm gonna put it like test1 again, and we're gonna put .bat or BAT. So that's a batch file, so we can run that. Right now we're gonna double click on that batch file, and it will create our folder. As you can see, it says locker. It's not locked yet. Right now that text document, we do not need that, delete that. Right now to lock your folder, just double click again on the batch file, and it says here, are you sure you want to lock the folder? Y for yes and N for no. I'm gonna type Y. I do not know why it's corrupted right here. Here, and click yes or enter. And as you can see right here, the folder has disappeared. But the issue is, if one of your family members deletes that folder, you're in big trouble. And if they have emptied this recycle bin, you're in even more trouble, because if you have saved a lot of things in here, then you're pretty much fucked. I had to say it. And right now, to unlock that folder, just double click again, and it says here enter password to unlock folder. Just type your password. I'm gonna have put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click enter, and it will be unlocked. Let's try it out right now with our example. I'm gonna put that. As you can see right here, here's our example. If you don't know what this is my video descriptions. If you're wondering what I put every time in my description, it's not completed because I haven't typed them on these steps right here, and the title right here. And yeah, that's pretty much useless for you. And we're gonna lock that right now. Yes. As you can see, it's locked. You cannot recover it unless you put your password. I'm gonna unlock it right now. And as you can see, the folder is back here without removing the file. That's everything, guys, for the video. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, because I'm running out of ideas. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. And I have talked this on my previous video, but I'm gonna talk this again right now. It's gonna be less than a minute. If you saw in the last part of the video right here, I did not say that in the last like 15 videos I have made since March. So if you go in the description of all my videos since March, the first video of March was how to download Sony Vegas Pro 16. If you go in the description, I have the steps right here. If you see, it says follow the instructions if you didn't understand something in the video. That's pretty simple. What I mean, like if you didn't understand something in the video, just go in the description right here. That's why I have put that here, expand for important links and info. Every time in all of my videos, where I said in the Vegas Pro video, in that video and after, I have written all these steps, what you have to do if you didn't understand something in the video. So guys, make sure you go in the description to check out the steps if you didn't understand something. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in my next video. See you.